Folks, we're back, and we're back with the spring table right here on my take on home and garden. Yes, sir. I think it's time for a new spring table. I think everybody will agree. What do we need in our life? We just need a little beautiful. Out of the box a little bit. I'm starting off with this buttery cream yellow table in 100% cotton in the damask style. Next, our inspiration for today is this dinner set made in West Germany by Kaiser. And we have a gold rim, which is going to dictate the gold flatware today. Now I'm keying off what's in the plate, and we're going to look at that too. Then I want this on a wonderful ivory white scallop charger to give us a beautiful, clean spring look. And we got some contrast on that buttery, creamy yellow tablecloth. What else have we got to do? We're going to take one of our arrangements from the little basket video, and we're going to augment it a little bit. And I want to show you that, because you don't have to tear everything apart every time. After looking at our selection of dinnerware, okay, I've chosen the basket, and we're going to take that, and I'm going to remove about one thing out of here, and I'm going to add some of this other color that I see in that plate. And let's make sure you can see. Okay, that dusky pale red, we're going to come up in here with our new, you just saw this in a haul, little miniature roses in the violet. Now watch this transformation. That's all we're changing. We took out 1 to add 3. Hopefully this will help you think for your next beautiful table. And I do want a medallion in here. What's that for? Well, it helps center everything and place everything around that. It puts it in perspective. Now we can really get that centered. Make sure each charger is the same from the plate. Now we're ready to put our beautiful basket in the centerpiece. Can anybody see what we have so far and how we upgraded our basket to match the dinner plates? Hopefully it's obvious. Now we're going to finish placing our dinner plates. I want them all facing the same. So the bachelor button in this plate is on the upper right, the way I put it there. So we're going to do that again. To me, I think it's important, and it will help you have a beautiful table. When everything is uniform, it makes a big difference. Now we're taking our cutest little teapot. Today we're having a tea, and we have the matching sugar, but we don't have the matching creamer, and we're not going to worry about it. That's how our table is eclectic. Okay, we're going to get them roughly in place and keep it moving. Now I got to do the silverware because that'll show me what I have left, as you know. Today we have an off-white, antique white napkin and 100% cotton in the gold napkin ring. And I just love that look on this yellow. That's gonna go on the table and hug our charger on the left. Well, Jeff, why don't you put it on top of the plate like a lot of the other ones do? Well, if you're new or you missed anything before, you've heard me. I don't like to cover up a beautiful plate. Now, if that was a plain white plate or a plain pink plate, I might absolutely do that. Okay, so on the right, our dinner knife, dinner spoon, dinner knife, dinner spoon, and we're staying 2 fingers off the edge. Here's why setting the silverware is so important. For us to put our ancillary pieces on, that shows us what we have left. Now we can put on a really cute milk and drink pitcher. We know where our fruit bowl can go. We're going to have the cutest little serving plate, and we'll have little biscuits on that, or scones for our UK friends. We're having a terrine with a creamed asparagus. And did I tell you we're having a homemade shepherd's pie today for an early supper? Just wonderful. Now in the Noritake azalea, you see how eclectic we are going to be today. 3 people are having tea, and we're going to use teacups from that set. Then in the depression pink, a little salt that'll act as our buttermint serving dish, because there's only 5 people. Now again in the depression glass, a cracker tray server. Love, love, love that. And in the cherry blossom, a cute cheese dish for our quarter wheel of cheese. And in the 1930s, Old Lace by Hazel Atlas in the pink depression for the 2 people that want to have a lemonade instead of tea. And again in the depression pink, there's our salt and pepper. Man, we're getting good. Here's our olive oil for our steak pie. And, man, I can't believe it. Let me take a look and make sure I got everything going on that's supposed to be here. How about a water glass and possibly a cordial glass? It is a tea that we're having. We'll want a water glass, and that'll go right at 12 o'clock. And this is from the Wexford set. by Anchor Hocking in the 60s. I can see a cordial coming on. If that tea gets weak. Alrighty. I think possibly we need a candle, and that could finish her. And then I'm gonna have to take you and show you all around. Quite a table today, folks. Thanks for coming by. Hey, if you liked our table at all today, give us a like, a share, a comment. Send your aunt over. Send an uncle, a friend. Just tell them how much fun we have right here in beautiful decor on the Maximalist Network, right here on My Take on Home and Garden. Thanks, guys. Hey, and we'll see you in the next over the top decor and collector video. Be happy, have fun, and God bless the Ukraine.